To run the bingo game from the home screen, click Bingo on the right-hand side. A brief explanation will display. When ready to begin setting up the bingo cards, click Let's Begin. Use the radio buttons to select the class and then to select all students or just specific students. Click the blue right arrow to proceed to step 2. Select the subject tab and the test. Tests with less than 8 questions are excluded from the test selection step. Click the blue right arrow to proceed to step 3. Using the radio button, select a card size, 3 by 3 or 5 by 5. If a test with less than 24 questions was selected, then only the 3 by 3 card option will be available. If a 3 by 3 card was selected, there is the option to print 2 bingo cards per page. Select difficulty level, easy, medium, or hard, and hover over this tooltip to see the criteria for the easy, medium, and hard bingo sheets. Click the blue right arrow to proceed to step 4. Use the radio button to select if the game is being played in the classroom or at student's home. And based on the number of times you want to play, enter the quantity of unique cards per student and the number of unique call sheets per class. Questions can be previewed by clicking Preview Questions. If you wish to exclude any question from the game, check the box to the left of the question. When finished, click Download Game. Open the PDF. And the front page will always be the call sheet with some instructions for the teacher. And only 2 students were selected and playing the game only 1 time. There's 1 card for Kenny and 1 card for Chris. Print the PDF and then finish.